Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more heights and distance problems related to trigonometry. Now, this is some different problem. I will explain. See, first, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. First we should understand the problem. Then first rough diagram for understanding. Suppose a tree is there like this. Tree. This is ground. Now due to storm, what happened? Somewhere it broken. After broken, what will happen due to weight? It will bend down. So it bended means it touched like this, somewhere touched here. So touched here. How like it touched he gave? That is, see, so that the top of the tree, this top is now this one. This top only come to down. This only, this one. That's why the top touches the ground, making 30 degrees angle with the ground. See, to ground, this touched part makes 30 degrees to the ground. Like that it bended. Okay. The distance between the foot of the tree, see, this is the foot of the tree and the top of the tree. This is the top, now becomes this one, top of the tree. So the distance between foot of the tree, top of the tree, on the ground, top of the tree on the ground, that's why I give, not this top of the tree on the ground is 6. That means this distance is 6 meters. Now find the height of the tree before falling down. Before falling down, what is the height of the tree? This is the height of the tree, h1 totally. Here suppose breaked. Now after breaking, what is the height of the tree? This piece plus this piece. Suppose this is A, this piece is B. So total tree height we want means A plus B. If you add these two, then only total height of the tree, because total like this only, in the total height only some height is bended like this. So this part becomes this part. So this part adding means instead of this part we will add this part. So these two, A plus B gives the total height of the tree. If you roughly you understand like this, then final diagram directly, neatly we can draw. To explain, I draw like that, but you no need to draw like this. Directly, if you understand final diagram, you can draw. Okay. Now see, that only before what I drew. Now neatly I will draw. So A, B. Now at C, it is bended at C. So this part touched the ground here. Now this point is A dash. A is A dash here. This is making 30 degrees with the ground. So suppose this is H1, height 1, this is H2. Now H1 plus H2 becomes the length of the tree. Okay. Again he gave foot of the tree to top of the tree. The distance also he gave 6 meters. This is enough to calculate these two lengths. After finding H1 and H2, if we add H1 plus H2, that gives the total height of the tree before falling. Understood? Now according to this, we will write. See, from the figure. For this, from the figure you write. From the figure, A dash, from the figure you write, AB, let AB is equal to, we wrote no, AB, height of the tree. AB is height of the tree before falling. AB is height of the tree before falling. You write B what? Foot of the tree. Foot of the tree. A what? Top of the tree. Top of the tree. You write. Foot of the tree is B. Top of the tree is A. You write. Now C is equal to broken point. Broken point. Such that the broken point is such that what? B A dash B A dash C is equal to how much? 30 degrees. Like that it break. Now we know this one. Now what? A dash B is equal to 6 meters. What is this one? Distance between foot comma top of the tree. Foot and top of the tree, distance between A dash B 6 meters. This is the given data. Understood? Once you know the given data, now we apply the trigonometric ratios from this triangle. So from triangle, what is the triangle? A dash CB. A dash CB. From this is right angle. So from this triangle only, first we can calculate this one. For this triangle opposite side, this is adjacent side, tan we should take. So opposite side, adjacent side, tan we take means we can calculate this one. So tan we take. What we take? Tan. Tan 30 degrees is equal to formula rate. Opposite side by adjacent side you write. Now opposite side, right, for A dash opposite side is BC, by adjacent side is A dash B you write. Given known values BC H1 by A dash B is 6. So tan 30 value we know, that is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to H1 by 6. If you cross multiply, variable first you multiply, root 3 H1 is equal to 6 1s are 6. H1 is equal to 6 by root 3. So for some simplification, we can write the 6 in 2 into 3 by root 3. We can write like this for simplification. If you leave like this also no problem, last you can cover. But now root 3 in this root 3 times, because root 3 into root 3, 3 we know so many times we did. So 2 root 3 meters. Here don't write meters, here write H1 is equal to 2 root 3 meters. Okay, this value is 2 root 3. Now this part we know, total length of the tree we want to find out means this one and this one. This one means hypotenuse. We should find out the hypotenuse. For hypotenuse means sine we should take. That we know. So sine 30 you take. Opposite side by, formula what? Sine 30, opposite side by, for sine, opposite side by hypotenuse, H by P, sine 30. For this opposite side is BC, by hypotenuse is A dash C, A dash C. Now substitute the values. BC we calculated as 2 root 3, by A dash C we don't know. Now we know the sin 30 value 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 root 3 by A dash C. Directly variable side cross multiplication. A dash C into 1 is A dash C is equal to 2 into 2 root 3 means 4 root 3. Okay. Now you got A dash C is equal to 4 root 3. Now what? The length of the tree before falling is equal to what? BC, this is length of the tree what? AB is equal to length of the tree. AB is equal to BC plus AC. BC plus AC. BC plus AC. But CA is equal to CA dash. CA is equal to CA dash because this part only after falling it touched here. This part becomes here. This point coincides here on the ground it touched. That's why changed. Now in this you substitute the values what? BC plus instead of AC CA1 you write. Now BC value you know 2 root 3 plus A dash C or C A dash value we know 4 root 3. That's why see root 3 same 2 root 3. Suppose root 3 is one variable x, 2x plus 3x is what? 6x. X means root 3. Like that we can add. Okay, meters. The length of the tree before falling, total length, the tree length is 6 root 3 meters. If you want means 6 into 1.732 that is point here 10.392 meters, because root 3 value is 1.732. If you not calculate this also, no problem. If you calculate means okay. Okay, I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.